everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be very exciting. I was so excited to plan for this video and I had it written down on my list of videos to film for so long. So today I wanted to talk about all of my must-have glow products for summer. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know how much I love a good old highlighter. I have to be really careful during the summer when I want to look glowy just because I'm so oily. So a lot of these products are like oily girl hacks to still looking radiant and dewy, but you're not gonna look oily. So if you are oily or combination, you're gonna love this video. So many amazing products that work on a variety of different skin types. So I just wanted to kind of put together all of my favorites, from like body oils and lotions to moisturizers, primers. I have liquid highlighters, powder highlighters, setting sprays. I go over every single thing that you need to look nice and glowy for summer. I also wanted to apologize for not having like more of like a summery look on. I just got this in the mail from Octoly Pure and I just had to play with it. I've been playing with it for a couple days and I love it so much, so I thought I would mention it. This is the Visionary palette from Pure. One of mine came broken. I'm really sad about it, but this is really beautiful. Again, it's what I'm wearing on my eye. I'll leave everything that I am wearing as well as everything that I am talking about in this video down below. If you want to see all of my must-have favorite glow products for summer, then just keep on watching. So the first category I want to start out with is body product. Now if you've seen other people's videos talking about like glowy products and things that are necessary, that are not going to break the bank but also going to give you such a beautiful hydrated glow for the body, you've probably heard about this product before. This is the NIVEA Essentially Enriched Body Lotion. I'm so glad I actually got this and jumped on the bandwagon because it really does give your body such a beautiful glow. I'm wearing it today. This is the only thing that I'm wearing right now. As you can see, my skin just looks healthy. When you first put it on, you look a lot more dewy and glowy, but once it kind of soaks into your skin just looks healthy. I just love this. It's really, really moisturizing on the skin. I put this on, I lather my body on after I get out of the shower every night, and it feels so good. Next, I want to talk about some body oils and body glow products. The first one I want to talk about is not available anymore, but I still want to mention it because I have more of a dupe for it. This is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. Now, this had so much controversy and horrible reviews when it first came out. When I first got it, I'm not gonna lie, I did not like this at all. I was like, this is immediately going back to Sephora, especially for how much money it was. When I first started using it, I would use a whole pump, and that's why I hated it, because it was so sticky, it was so tacky, it did not dry down. Now when I use it, I either mix it in with a lotion like this, because I feel like it dries down a lot more than if I only wear this on its own, or I will use like the smallest amount. Will get you like your whole décolleté, your arms, your shoulders. Like, it goes such a long way and you look beautiful. This has shimmer in it, like it has some microfine glitters in it. But I also want to talk about this because this is a new product also. This is the Sol de Janeiro IPANEMA. I hope I'm saying that right. Sunset Glow Oil. There's two colors. This is the lightest one of the two. The only thing I don't like about this is the packaging. I mean, I love the outside, but I wish this had a pump like the other one. The smell of this is out of this world. If you've ever smelled any of Sol de Janeiro's products, they smell fantastic. This is like an oil fragrance as well as a beautiful glow product all in one. I love this too because it is more of an oil, unlike this one, which just felt sticky. This feel like it's very nourishing and it doesn't dry down completely, but it's so much better than this one. So if you found troubles with this one and you didn't like the glitter in this one, I would highly recommend the Sol de Janeiro one. It's just very natural looking. So this on the shoulders and on the arms and on your high points of your legs looks so beautiful and it smells delicious. Enough about body products. I want to move on to face primers. So the first one I have is more of like a moisturizer that's going to give you a gorgeous glow. I am oily, but I still want my skin to look like radiant and gorgeous. So this is what I use every single day to do my makeup. It has to be in my makeup routine. I just cannot get away from this product. This is the GLAMGLOW Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. This is my second one. It's just super, super glowy. I would only really recommend using this during the day as your moisturizer because it's not as hydrating and moisturizing as I'd want it to be for nighttime. So this is purely like my under my makeup, before my primer moisturizer, and I just love the way it looks on my skin. You can use this as primers or as moisturizers as well. This first one is by MAC. You've probably heard about this product. This is an oldie but a goodie, an OG. This is the Strobe Cream. Now MAC has recently come out with a couple more colors of this. So this one is the Peachlite. I also have the gold one. It's just going to give your skin a healthy glow. This one again is the Peachlite version. So it gives the skin a little bit of a peachy glow, as you guys can see there. But it just sinks into the skin really nicely. It doesn't make me look oily as well. Now this product is a new product for me. Charlotte Tilbury is known for having this gorgeous is Supermodel Glow. I'm envious of the glow that she puts on her clients. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. You can really use this however you see fit in your makeup routine. I have the color number 2 light, which kind of has a peachy undertone to it. I would definitely recommend using this as a base. You can mix it in with foundation as well, which is really beautiful. I find that it has a little bit of a tackiness to it, so it works amazing as a primer for me and as a base if I want to put anything on top of it. It just really adheres to this product, and of course it gives you a gorgeous glow. I want to move on to liquid highlighters. A lot of what I use liquid highlighters for are mixing in with my foundation. So the couple that I love, the first one is by BECCA. This is like an old school goodie. This is super beautiful on the skin. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Illuminator. I have this in the color Opal. I also have it in a couple of other ones, but this is just what this one looks like. It is beautiful. I love this mix in with my foundation. I would definitely recommend this one. Again, they have a lot of different colors of this as well. Another product that is beautiful mixed in with foundation. This one you can also wear on its own. I feel like it does have more of a radiant glow than the BECCA one. This is the Marc Jacobs Do You Dew Drops. These are the coconut gel drops. This is the first ones they came out with. These are absolutely gorgeous. It has more of a like yellow champagne-y gold color. Just how beautiful and glowy that is. I just love the color of this. The texture of this is so nice. It does have more of like that gel consistency, so it's very lightweight on the skin and also really soaks well into the skin, so it does not make me look oily. Like, it doesn't sit on top of my skin, which I really don't like in a lot of products. Moving on to some more liquid highlighters. These ones I use more for my cheekbones specifically because they are a little bit more glittery. I don't want to say that in a bad way just because it's not bad glitter, but it's like a really beautiful shimmer, if that makes sense. And these are really affordable, which is why I love them. I did a whole video on them. These are the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighters. I have 4 colors. I think these are like $9 at Ulta, and they are beautiful. They're a complete dupe in my opinion for the Cover FX ones, which are like 40 something dollars. I will show you guys liquid bronze gold because this is the one I like mixing in with my foundation too, but if you want something that's gonna be like a really intense liquid highlight before you apply powder, I would definitely recommend these ones. It's so pretty. A little bit of this goes a long way. I just love this. This is again the bronze one. They have a lot more colors now. When they first came out with them, I haven't gotten any new ones just because I've been loving the 4 that I have, and again, they're so affordable. Get a lot of product in here for how much you need and how much you're spending on it. Now for something on the other side of the price tag spectrum, I'm going back to Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand. I want to say there's only one color. They also have a contour. This is beautiful. The color and the formula of this product is amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It has like the kind of rose gold bronze packaging. You open it up and it has a foam applicator. Here's what it looks like just dabbed onto my hand, and you can blend this out with your finger or you can blend it out with a beauty blender, which is what I do. I use this to layer powder highlighters on top of it. You can totally wear this on its own if you want just more of like a natural like Hollywood glow. I have it on today as the base for my powder highlighter. It's not shimmery and it's not glittery. It just gives a really beautiful glow to the skin. Moving on to highlighters, I have 1 cream and 1 powder. The cream one I want to talk about is by ColourPop. I feel like these are so underrated and not very many people talk about them. These are the Super Shock Cheek, and this is the pearlized finish one. This is in the color FLEXITARIAN. This is what the color looks like. It's super pretty. It's like blinding to look at the camera right now. I love this. I apply it with either my finger or I like to use my Anastasia A23 brush. I'm not ashamed to go overboard with this just because I love it so much. So this is the color FLEXITARIAN. This color is not going to work for everyone just because it's so icy, but it has more of a gold champagne base to it. ColourPop just has such a wide range of colors, so there's gonna be something for everyone, but this is just the one I've been loving. If you want a blinding, in your face, affordable $7 highlight, this is gonna be the one for you. Can I use this on? I mean, so pretty. I don't think I really need to say much more. The wetness that it gives to your skin, it really melts into the skin, so it looks so natural, but it's also blending at the same time, which I'm obsessed with. Now the only powder highlighter I want to talk about today is by Artist Couture. Now I love a lot of different highlighters. Like, highlighters are some of my favorite products to buy, but in terms of my favorite multi-use highlighting product, I have to say the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powders are my absolute favorite. I just think these are so versatile because it's in a loose powder. You can use this as an eyeshadow, as like a pigment, or if you want to layer this on your chest, on the tops of your cheekbones. There's just so many ways to use this. I'll apply a little bit for you guys. I'm going to use my Anastasia A23 brush, which is what I always use. Like, you literally need what is just in the cap. Like, you don't even need to go any further. Whew. Like, look at that. I'm obsessed. This is in the color Coco Bling. You get such an intense glow. I'm super excited now because you can also find these at Sephora. They have all the colors online, but you can find a couple of like their best-selling colors in store. If you really want to make this more natural into the skin, I'd recommend using a brush like this one and just really like buff it and do it in circular motion so you can really get it to melt into the skin. Using a setting spray will also help afterwards if you just want to log everything in and make it look more like skin after you're done applying it. But I love this. This combination from the Anastasia brush and the Artist Couture highlighter are gorgeous. Alright, last but not least are setting sprays. I feel like I've been talking forever. I have a couple different kinds. So the first one I want to talk about is from Tatcha. If you are dry to normal or even combination, you're going to really love this. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. You have to be careful with this product if you are combination to oily because this can make you look super, super oily. So I only do one spritz on one side and one spritz on the other, and that is it. I use this before I do my highlighter as well just to give my skin that radiant glow that I love. But if you are looking for something that is not going to be as oily looking but you still want that dewy luminous glow to your skin, I recommend this one. This is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. You have to shake it up. There's a little ball at the bottom. It has pigments on the bottom, so you really want to shake it up good, and it gives your skin this beautiful veil of like a nice sheen. So for all my oily and combination girls, if you want to look dewy and radiant but without having to sacrifice looking oily, this is going to be the setting spray that I'd recommend to you. Now last but not least, I have another one that I've been using this product for years. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this is in the Gold Light version. This is beautiful. I know you can make your own with like a regular Fix Plus and adding some pigments in it, but I just love the gold in this Fix Plus. It's so pretty. It's also mesmerizing to look at when you shake it up. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So what really sold me on this is I was trying it in store. I sprayed it on my arm to like see what the effect it was going to give my skin, and I walked out and my arm was glowing, like so beautiful with just like this veil of gold shimmer on myself, and I was like, wow, this is really pretty. This is gonna look gorgeous on the skin. But you can use this like on your body, on your face. Having some glow in it, I'm obsessed with, and the gold one is definitely more glowy than the pink one, so keep that in mind if you want to purchase one of these. Okay, now that I've been rambling on for I want to say 40 minutes, hopefully this video won't be that long, but that's gonna be it for all of my glowy products for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know so many of you love to glow like I do, but have to be careful since we are oily. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite go-to glowy product is for summer. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!